Hello friends, welcome to our channel PNK Stocks. My friends and family members are approaching me for stock market education, and this is not a 1 hour or few hours training or even for a day or two. This could be a long process, so it was pending from quite a few days. Then finally I thought to create a YouTube channel and post videos so that my relatives and even friends can view them. But thought, why only confined to known people? As India big country and I have many friends to make. So thought of making all these videos to the public. Hence I created this channel and this is my first video. Brief about me. I'm working in an MNC as an IT manager and earning good money. But my nature of a job, I need to work in the nights. So last 10 years I'm working in the night and thought of planning my early retirement and still working, and past 15 years I learned so many national and international mentors training towards stock market and spent 5 to 7 lakhs. As I'm earning much money, so thought of spending around 5 to 10% towards my financial education. And in first 2 to 3 years, I learned good amount of knowledge and start trading, and I'm in a good position. With this immense, national and international mentors trainings, I created my own strategies with my experience. So now I am planning to give some kind of a financial education towards stock market to the beginners. It could be beginners to 2 years experience, and even people those who are making losses having many years experience in stock market also will work. Now you are the person having plenty of experience and you are into the successful journey, then this channel is not for you. But still you can refer the people who are looking towards the financial market, you can refer to this channel. The language which I use, the basic English where any person in India can understand. And if you still struggling, then you can put a comment so that I can respond back to you people. Now stock market knowledge, it's tough to get experience and start trading in few days or few weeks. It's a lengthy of journey. So now you need to decide, learn overnight and start doing, then there will be heavy losses. So now you want to be get into this stock market, then probably at least you need to spend 1 year before you start trading live, so that you can reduce your losses and start your journey into the profits. So in stock market we have plenty of things to learn. Investing, hope you heard about big people, Warren Buffett and our own Rakesh Junjunwala. They are purely working on investing. They invest and they forget, and the lakhs become crores. It's not in a day or two, not even in years. They hold these shares for their lifetime. So investing is something where minimum you need to find out a good company and invest at least for 2 years so that you can reap benefits out of it. Next comes the positional trading. Positional trading comes for few months. We can say that at least 6 months. Some of the positional trading that we do for few days as well. That is 2 days to 15 days or 20 days, where you can use futures and options. That will come in the later, but still positional trading you can use cash market like stocks or else futures and options. There comes intraday. Intraday where you enter the trade and then you can exit the trade on the same day. There is again a scalping is the quick earning money but very high risk, where you will be entering into the trade with huge quantities for very few points and you will be exiting very quickly to capture that points. People say that stock market is the loss making market. It's true? Yes. 95% people are failing, only 5% people are making into profits. Is it true? Absolutely right. But how to become the 5% successful people? Now, we learned the story of tortoise and rabbit. Always tortoise wins the race. Why? Slow and steady wins the race. So now our approach is like rabbit, then we will be making lot of losses and we'll be closing our accounts as well. But like tortoise approach, that is learning whole thing before you trade. At least your 1 year time to learn. 1 year time to learn is not like a full time. At least spend 1 hour or half an hour in a day to learn based on some videos, and then with the knowledge make your set of rules, and then with the set of rules you need to have some kind of a percentage on your mind, not like getting double in a year or triple in a year. Some percentage where beating the index or else beating the banks. If you think in this way, then you will be into the 5% of successful people. Now anyone comes into the market is like in U shape, where initially you will be making losses. Why losses? Because even entry and exit also make a challenge sometimes, and always when you try to buy, market will fall. Where exactly we need to buy, where exactly we need to sell, all this will come into the later videos. But in general, if anyone comes into the market, first they'll make a losses, then break even. Once they sustain to the break even, then they'll jump into the profits. So in this trading world, how we need to work now? We need to enter into the market with very less money, so that when we need to give back the money to the market, that money will be very less, very less. When it comes to the break even, then our losses should be very minimal. Like say we need to purchase a stock in one number or five numbers to see how far we are successful. Once we are into the break even and getting into the upward journey, then you can start increasing your quantities and finally you will be successful. So in this way you will be giving very less money to the market, and when you are doing your success rate is more. That means when you are trading 10 trades, you are getting at least 6 wins out of 10. Then if in that situation you can increase the quantity and you will be successful. Now we discussed about investing, positional, intraday, scalping. These are all depends on with the different age groups. So now a retired person, he can't do intraday or scalping. Retired person can invest money and he can wait for few days or few months or few years to reap good amount of returns. So now all age group people, they need to decide which type of trading is suitable for them, and based on that they need to do. Now an aggressive person, he can do intraday or scalping, but a old person, he can't take that kind of a pressure, so that they can confine to positional trading or investing. Now we have different set of stock market or financial instruments. All these are good: mutual funds or investing stocks or investing in real estate or in gold, all are very good. If in a mutual fund, a person who get into the job in the first year, if he start investing every month particular amount, and when he turns age of 50, he'll be earning crores of money. The same way, if a person investing in good stocks, checking their financial health and other things, if he invests and holds, then this person will be getting returns more than the person who invested in the mutual funds. The other two things, real estate and gold, these are also good instruments, but where real estate you purchase a house or a plot, it costs around 50 lakhs or 1 crore. You can't sell a bit or pieces of it. Where in stocks, if you hold 1000 quantity, you can sell 10 quantity or you can sell 100 quantity. But in real estate, the entire property you need to sell to get out of it. In stock, you can rebuy the thing and you can hold complete property again when market falls. In gold, compared to real estate and stocks, gold appreciation is not that great compared to the other two. As financial education is must for one and all, so I'm taking some pains to educate you people. Can you please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and if possible ask your family members also go through this video, and if they interested they can like and subscribe. Full-time trader or part-time trader, if a beginner could be a 20-year person or a 50-year person, whether he need to come to the market by leaving everything as a full-time, or how is it better to start as a part-time. My suggestion would be start as a part-time, do your job, start this stock market education as a part-time, learn, implement in virtual portals. Say now we have some kind of a portals where without buying itself you can virtually make that, you buy ITC stocks 100 quantity, you can enter them and then wait and see how your analyzation worked. Now you should be 5% successful group. So now for that, what we need to do, as long as you can do the job, don't leave the job and come to the stock market. Job is primary thing for everyone, so don't leave your job thinking that stock market will give you multi-bagger returns. You want to get into the stock market, then do your job. After that you can start pursuing stock market education in any channel, not only mine, but pursue the stock market training in the part time, understand what is happening, get lot of tons of knowledge, then still continue your job, don't leave your job. Those people who left the job and thinking stock market is the only way to mint money, those people are all struggled, and they again moved back to their jobs. So my suggestion, as long as you can do the job, as you want to enter into the stock market, then take your wife or your father or your brother's help if they are at home to execute your trades, but as long as possible continue your job. There are a lot of information I'll be giving in this YouTube videos which will be boring to you, but still we need to entire book to give the exam. We know that exam contains only few questions where we can answer them without reading full book, but if you read full book, the understanding could be much better. So I'll be giving some kind of a theoretical videos as well, where you need to get that information in your mind, which will be really helpful on go forward basis. India is developing country, and we are moving and competing with top 5 countries, as we are moving forward, and financial education and awareness is must for one and all. So I am putting my bit of effort to give the knowledge. So now you and your friends families also need to have this financial education, where we'll be having second opportunity to help our future goals. My request is to subscribe to this channel, and click the like button, so that I'll also, it will help me to create further videos. This channel is purely educational purpose, though I'm helping to give some of the strategies, but still, based on my YouTube channel or my videos, if you want to take any trade, then please consult your financial advisor before you are entering any trade, and the profit and loss both are yours. As this is my first video, will improve my quality of voice and also video recording in future videos. Please bear with me. Please subscribe to my channel, and my like my video. I'll be monitoring my subscription and also likes, so that my next video will be released soon. Thanks, and have a nice day.